Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to check the dimensions of elements and the project itself on Canva. So first of all, let's start with an image. If you want to know the width and height of an image that you have on your page, then all you need to do is pretty much select any of these corners while having the image selected, like so. And then press and hold your left mouse button and try to move it just a little bit to not change it too much. And then as you can see, while you hold it, while you try to change the size of the image, then you will see the dimensions. However, if you make some changes by accident, you can also use Ctrl and Z in order to return to the previous size. Or on the other hand, if you for some reason cannot use Ctrl and Z on your keyboard, then you can also use this arrow over here, which is the undo function, which pretty much moves back what you have done. If you want to change the size of a text, or check rather the dimensions of the text, then of course you can do the same thing. So you can use, for instance, the corner in order to see the width and height of the text box. And you can of course even use only the width over here or the height if you have an option to do so. And if you want to check the dimensions of your whole project, if you want to know the resolution of each page, then you can go to Share over here, and then go to Download, and then over here you will find the size. For instance, right now size is ×1, so the resolution is written below this slider, and it is 1920 times or x 1080 pixels. And of course you can change the size if needed, but let's say we don't really want to do that. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!